We also have a lot of different measuring tools. So a simple one here is length, and it will, of course, snap to your edges. And each of those has some settings. So this is now in millimeter. I can go to the settings box here for this one and change it to show show in meters, for instance. I might have to go to measurement here and change the unit here to meter. And when you do, before you do any measuring or quantity area measurements and stuff like that, you need to calibrate your PDF. And there you have two choices. You can either manually calibrate it and press one point to another and say, okay, that length is going to be 1 meter, or you can use the view scale or the sheet scale to update it. So this document is a 1 to 200 scale, but if I change it to 1 to 100, you see it automatically updates all your measurements. So I'll just set it back to 1 to 200. If I go back to the measurements, so length, you have area tools. Use this as an example. Here I have defined two different type of I guess floor types. So the subject is floor, and I have also created a custom column with a material that I've just called carpet 1 and carpet 2, and it will list those into the markup lists, and you can choose what type of information you want to display. So in the markup list and columns, you have a lot of default values, status and stuff like that, or volume, wall area, stuff like that. And here I have also added a material column and a price column. So to do that, you just go into the column and manage columns, and here you have custom columns. So firstly, I made a material column, and you can create different types. So this one is a choice. There I can add different objects with a name, and I can also give it a value. So here you can see the item name and the value. And for the price, I created a formula column that takes the material times the area, and use that as a formula, and you can create a sum of the price here.